Hey everyone, Spectrum Wi Fi pods not connecting. This guide covers setup fixes and connectivity tips to get your mesh network running smoothly. Poor signal strength or the pod being too far from the router can prevent connection. Try moving the pod closer to your router or another working pod. Interference from appliances, large furniture, or thick walls can disrupt the Wi Fi signal and cause connectivity issues. If your router or modem is offline or not working properly, the pod will not connect. Ensure your main internet connection is active. Changes to your Wi Fi network name, SSID, or password may require you to contact Spectrum to re register your pods. A red light on the pod indicates a hardware issue, and you should contact Spectrum support if this occurs. How to fix Spectrum pod blinking green? To fix a Spectrum pod blinking green, first check that your main router is online and functioning, then try moving the pod closer to the router and restarting it by unplugging and plugging it back in. Proper placement and ensuring you are using a Spectrum router are essential for a stable connection. If the pod continues blinking green after these steps, further troubleshooting or contacting Spectrum support may be necessary. Fix 1. Check router and internet connection. Ensure your main router is online and functioning properly. If the router is experiencing issues, the Spectrum pod will not connect correctly. Test your internet connection by connecting another device such as a laptop directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. Confirm that you have a stable internet connection. If you find any issues with the connection, check the incoming internet line for damage or loose connection. Try restarting the router and check for the connection. If the problem persists, contact your internet service provider to report the issue and request assistance. Fix 2. Optimize pod placement. Proper placement ensure the pod receives a strong interference-free signal from the router, allowing it to connect and stop blinking green. Move the pod closer to your router and another active pod, especially if you have a poor signal strength. Ensure the pod is centrally located between your main router and the area needing coverage. Avoid placing pod behind mirrors, large furnitures, appliances, or in area with a heavy interference like near microwaves or cordless phones. To check placement, open Spectrum app and log in, go to services, then Wi-Fi pod, then go to setup pod, follow the on-screen instructions to add the pod to your network. Fix A, move the pod closer to the router. Reducing the distance between the pod and the router improves signal strength, enabling the pod to establish a reliable connection and stop blinking green. If the pod is too far from the router, it may struggle to connect. Move it closer and see if the blinking stops. Fix 4. Restart the pod. Restarting refreshes the pod's connection process, resolving temporary glitches that can prevent it from connecting to the network. Method 1. Using power cord. Unplug the pod from the power outlet, wait at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Allow up to 2 minutes for the pod to reconnect and the LED to turn off. Method 2. Using Spectrum account. Sign in using the same credentials as your online Spectrum account. Select the Services and Equipment tab. Scroll down to select your device from the Internet category. Select Restart Equipment, then click Restart Pod button. Your pod will begin to restart automatically. Fix 5. Use only with a Spectrum router. Spectrum pod are designed to work only with Spectrum router. Use a non-Spectrum router can prevent successful connection and help the pod blinking green. Using a third-party router like Asus may prevent the pod from connecting. Fix 6. Contact Spectrum Support. You can reach them by visiting Spectrum Support or by calling 833-267-6094. For direct help with persistent connection issues, Spectrum Support can guide you through advanced troubleshooting or arrange for a replacement if there is a hardware problem. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.